insights from the global development of additive manufacturing, and what role is Indo playing in that global scenario?
Yeah, that's a good question actually. I mean, Indo MIM is very well poised to play a significant role in this evolving technology because we have been around in the metal injection molding, since 1997. And those days, metal injection molding was again, state of the art, brand new technology, much closer to the additive manufacturing because we use only that much material that is required. But additive manufacturing, 3D printing takes it to the next level. From the global perspective, we definitely aim at playing a very similar role because if you look at the growth of the additive manufacturing in the last 15 years, the growth is going to take an exponential curve. Probably 10 years, 15 years from now, every metal manufacturing, every metal component manufacturing will be touched by additive manufacturing in some way. And although US and Europe are leading the efforts right now and the market growth is predominantly coming from there, because Indo MIM has a very large presence both in US and Europe, we get to know the advancements and we get to play in the market. And coming to India, I think India has always played the role of sustenance. India may not initiate the technology, but we play a very, very big role in sustaining the technology through our technical inputs, whether it is technology in terms of the 3D printing technology growth or the powder, the raw material, the metallurgy, secondary finishing. I mean, we can go on and on, because the additive manufacturing is such a huge field. I'm sure, India will play a role in every single aspect of that. 20 years from now, just like how we dominated the software industry with our technology base, I have a feeling that, especially given the current geopolitical situation where India is considered as a preferred location for all of the manufacturing, I think India is the next manufacturing hub for the global marketing, global sector. So additive manufacturing, I think, is going to really, really help that happen. So that's my opinion.